Salmon Sisters. We run our business from the boat. It's a really small space. This new surface go is the perfect size. I love having something that I can hold in my hand. We're proud of this way of life. We're proud of the work we're doing.
Sphero is a robotic toy manufacturer. I have a lifelong love for robots that started when I was very young. The movie Short Circuit changed my life because a robot that came alive and became everybody's best friend was something that I was like, that's my destiny. I'm supposed to make that. In high school, we were super into programming. It was like the nerdiest thing you could be into. We actually didn't go to any of the cool stuff. We only liked math and science and computers. We used to take apart VCRs and glue all the motors together. It was a robot to us. I'm always going to be a maker, and I think a company is the coolest thing you can build. Part of an entrepreneur's job is to get stuff done. When we first started, we had a lot of options to make other things. We had the technology, but we didn't know what product we were going to make. When we started Sphero, we were trying to pitch a robot ball. It didn't have all this educational stuff. We wanted to make a robot ball that was fun to play with. We went through a seed incubator for our company where they give you mentorship and some financing and show you kind of how to do this. And so we went through what I'd call the business school in 3 months. It's very, very challenging. Now, I mean, there's over 400,000 Spheros in schools being used by 6,000 to 7,000 teachers. We usually work with kids from 3rd and 4th grade up until middle school. Sphero is a kid's best day at school. I'll see kids who have no interest in any computer science or programming change. And then sometimes we get letters from these kids. Hi, I'm going to CU Boulder as a computer scientist. Thanks for teaching me how to code in 8th grade. So that's pretty amazing. We just feel really great about being able to bring kids' imagination to life. My advice to somebody who is just starting out with this would be sort of twofold. I think the reason we were successful in this was just sticking to it. If you believe in it and you go for it and it is the right thing, it'll come true. Don't worry about people who say no. Don't listen to everybody, but also follow your heart.
A bottle of beer. I don't think many people actually know the level of science that's filled into that bottle. Back in time, it took Carlsberg several years to produce a new beer. But using Microsoft Artificial Intelligence, we will be able to detect new flavors in a split second and develop better beers faster.
With AI, we redefine what's possible.
So that's 28 million patients a year could be treated because of the work that we do here. That was the big reason I came to Philips. Image-guided therapy is modern-day surgery without the incision. We're navigating tiny instruments through the body through incisions no larger than a pencil point. We're relying solely on X-ray images or medical imagery to guide us. So that means we are always looking at a screen of data.
With HoloLens, we can take it to the next level. We are a leader in image-guided therapy. And with Azurion, we created an industry-leading platform that customers really love. What's really cool about it is we've leveraged novel touchscreen technology to create a very powerful working spot for the physician. Our ultimate goal is to help doctors do procedures better, to help them innovate the procedure. With HoloLens, we can create a completely different experience, a working domain which is really tailored around the needs of the physician.
For complex procedures, physicians need to go from one screen to the other really rapidly. We can now get these screens to come in just by voice recognition, by eye tracking. This is all about efficiency. If patients are being treated and the procedure can be shortened, it's very beneficial for the patient.
At Philips, we strongly believe that technology is not the goal, technology should be the enabler. What we want is that the physician can just concentrate on the procedure and the patient, get them home faster and healthier. This partnership between Philips and Microsoft can have our users experience something completely new, something almost mind-blowing, something that they didn't think was possible, and help them improve care. That's a breakthrough.